Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install new headlights in your 11th gen F-150. You're going to need a screwdriver, ratchet set, your lights, and that should be it. First thing you're going to want to take out is this screw right here. Then you're just going to pull this little thing out, then put this most of the way back in because you don't want to lose it. Now you're going to peel this away, out of the way. Then you've got this bolt right here, and there's another one right down here, right there. So these two need to come out. But first you can undo this one, because that's really easy and very accessible. This is going to be a 10 millimeter. There's one 10 millimeter bolt. Now you've got two more. Right here, and one right down there. Right, now let's do the one down there. Move this air direction thingy out of the way. Alright, so now we've got those undone. You're going to take this lever here and pull it up, and then try to get this wire out of the way. You're just gonna pop the headlight assembly out. It's very simple, just 3 bolts. Now you've got your lights on the back of it. So I'm gonna pop these out, remove all your bulbs, just like that, and your headlight assembly is entirely dismounted. Reinsert these the same exact way you took them out. Lock to that one, and lock your blinker. Alright, so all of the bulbs are in. Now we're just going to carefully line it up and put it on exactly the same way we took it off. Make sure the whole body of the entire thing is nicely set in. And then we're going to take our bolts. We're just going to hand tighten them back in. And if you got them out entirely by hand, you can probably put them all the way back in by hand. And then we just take this, then put the pin through, put the screw in, tighten it down, and you have your headlight is installed. It's one. So here's the finished product. I think it looks a lot cooler. I really like the blacked out kind of look. It's not entirely blacked out. It's got a little bit of chrome to go with the other chrome. So I like it, and super easy to install. Just make sure you get some lights that are not like multi-vehicle lights. They just are meant for this vehicle. They'll pop right in, no cutting or anything. And yeah, that's how you do it. It's very simple, very fast. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time on Blue Ridge Survival.